Showbiz Fanatics, Tape Incorporated, abay napakalaki ng problemang kinahaharap ngayong taong darating na 2024. Ang lahat ng yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magsimula sa ating updates for today's video, hayaan yung unahin ko ng batiin kayo ng Merry Christmas. So ito po, discuss po natin yung pong article sa Pika Pika nitong si Butch Francisco. So isa po yung Batikan na showbiz writer at before this start to, so is also a friend. He wrote about itong mga pangyayari po sa EAT, Itbulaga, at kung bakit TVJ could be taking their time pagdating po sa pagpapa-implement nitong Itbulaga. So ito po yung mga ilang sinabi nga dito. With the IPO ruling, they now use EAT Bulaga in the show. It's a baby step, but they'll get there. Sadly, the battle isn't over yet. Tito Vic and Joey are practically just hanging on to moral victory at this point. So medyo mahaba pa nga naman yung laban kung pag-uusapan po ay legalidad. Pero pagdating po sa moral victory po, TVJ po talaga ang panalo po sa sitwasyong ito. They can only hope Tip adheres to decency and a sense of morality and finally give up the Itbulaga name. But decency and morality are rarely practiced in the showbiz profession anywhere in the world. Alam ni sa Butch Francisco yan. So do the fans of Tito Vic and Joey expect Tip to give up the Itbulaga title that easily? They better not put their hopes up. There are a lot of other legal means to go around the IPO ruling. So of course, TVJ can always file a TRO against Dalusos, which is what their lawyers are not working on. But is that what TVJ needs now? Ito yung rason ni Butch Francisco. The truth is, there is no rush for TVJ to use the title Itbulaga, at least not yet. Right now, TV5 is conducting a survey to determine noontime show ratings. If TVJ uses Itbulaga now, there will surely be confusion among the respondents. O nga naman. Nakakalito nga naman pag sa mga survey, hindi naman lahat nakatutok dito sa issue . Diba pag sinabing Itbulaga, baka tinutukoy nila Itbulaga na TVJ, yun pala doon sa survey questionnaire ay yung sa tape na noontime show ang ibig sabihin. So EAT is now currently identified with TVJ. If the TVJ fans put Itbulaga in the survey sheets, their votes may be counted in favor doon po sa tape nga. That's a sure way for TVJ to lose in that polls. Of course, they don't want that. So yun po yung posibleng dahilan din. Kaya hindi nagmamadali. Sa totoo lang, bakit nga magmamadali? Nasa atin na yung panalo, nasa atin na yung trademark, na-cancel na yung sa tape, na kay Joey na. So there is no reason to rush. At ang plano naman dito is to celebrate 50 years of Itbulaga. At mukhang we are on our way to do that. We are well on our way to do that with that new home at TV5. Yung masayang-masaya yung mga staff, mga crew, yung Christmas party sila dyan sa Clowns Republic. So, tuloy-tuloy po. Yun po ang long-term goal in the next 5 years. Okay? Ito yung sabi ni Butch Francisco. TVJ and the production staff led by Jennifer are having the time of their lives right now in TV5. Time of their lives. Mukhang masayang-masaya nga. At the Sheridan Studios, kung saan tayo pumunta, they occupy a large part of the network compound. TV5 gave the group of TVJ their own office right beside the studio they use. The setup is very convenient for anyone working for EAT. Unlike before, yung tape nasa Saverville, yung APT Theater nasa Marcos Highway, so medyo malayo pa, matatraffic ka pa. Ito po, isa na lang. Napunta din ako doon Doon yung opisina nila, yung mga staff nila, yung may mga studio sila na pwedeng practicean, yung mga HR, finance, so nandun sila sa likod lang ng studio. So very convenient po, nakikita-kita lahat. Kaya nga parang it's a happy small family doon po sa TV5 na studio. So between TVJ and Tape, It is the latter that has reason to worry. Sure, they have Court of Appeals and Supreme Court, pero sinabi nga po natin that is only for merchandise, Class 16. But then, their contract with GMA is only until the end of 2024. Yun, by the time yung Court of Appeals and Supreme Court have decided, the Halusos Group could already be long out of GMA. Ito po ay sabi ni Butch Francisco, sa kanya po galing ito. Baka ibabash na naman ako. Binabasa ko lang po itong article ni Butch sa Pika-Pika. Tapes Itbulaga may now be the #1 noontime show. Hindi naman. May mga ilang araw lang na lamang sa Newtown. But its current ratings are not as impressive compared to the time when TVJ were still in the program. Ayan, if Tapes Itbulaga is unable to capture the nationwide market, which had always been the dream of the recently retired Felipe Gozon, GMA may just drop the Halusos Back noontime show. There's a chance GMA will put up its own lunchtime show. Baka daw magsariling show yung GMA. Puro artista naman namin yan. Ba't pa namin kayo kailangan? Puro artista na sparkle yan. Gawa kami sparkle tanghali, parang ganon. So ito yung ako din kay Butch. Hindi ako nagkasabi nito, si Butch to. So GMA will get to profit more under that setup. Diba? Sinasabi ng mga tao, yun daw sa tech show ng tape ay parang all-out Sunday lang. Ba't hindi na lang gawing all-out Sunday buong linggo kung pareho lang din naman, diba? Mas malaki pa yung kikitain ng GMA. So, unfortunately for GMA, the network has always been incapable of producing top-quality variety programs. Ayun, so sure the afternoon, diba, kasi na yung sa ASAP, diba, taga-taga na, wala nang franchise, hindi pa rin nila matalo in terms of prestige yung ASAP. Diba, yung pa rin yung basehan, yung pa rin yung tinitignan ng tao. Now, here's an interesting scenario. If GMA decides to kick out tape, is there a possibility Channel 7 would lure back TVJ like nothing happened? GMA, after all, still has the wider reach compared to TVJ's current home. Who knows? That might just happen in television. Anyway, in the world, always expect the unexpected. Ako tingin ko malabo po kasi mukhang matanda naman yung partnership ng TV5 at ng TVJ at long term at pinapaganda yung mga signal, pinapalawak. So I think well into the 50th year, TV5 na yung kasama dyan. Sa opinion po, ang hindi kasama dito sa article ni Sir Butch Francisco ay yung posibilidad na it's showtime yung aangat sa tanghali. At yun yung isa sa mga sinasabi ko na posibilidad. Okay, so ito naman ay pinag-uusapan lang. Matagal pa yung isang taon. So, patapos pa lang yung 2023. So we have the whole of 2024 to speculate about that. I just read to you yung po sinabi ni Sir Butch and I agree with him. Now, there's no rush for TVJ. Para po magpalit ka agad at Itbulaga ka agad. Tama na yung tinatawag, tama na yung alam ng tao na sila yung Itbulaga at nababanggit nila sa show. Okay, so yun ang... At dahil dyan, narito naman ang ilan sa mga komentong napili po natin mula naman sa mga legit viewers and subscribers po natin. Unahin natin ang komento ni Bon Bolin Reyes. Hindi kaya pwedeng tapalan ng pera ang mga opisyal ng IPO PIL para mabaligtad ng desisyon? Sana hindi. Sa tingin po hindi sila matatapalan kasi kung sa pera lang ang pinag-uusapan, kayang-kaya ng halos sosya na gawin. Pero syempre, alam nyo na, dapat talaga lahat talaga pantay, hindi tayo papasilaw sa pera. Sabi ni Kenshin Flyer, tape is just fattening their attorney's pocket for a futile thing. The writing is on the wall. Accept your fate. True. Sabi naman ng isa pang user, TVJ is the best. Kumbaga sumisigaw na po ang totohanan ang hustisya na talagang that trademark is for TVJ pero still pinaiiral pa rin talaga nila. Syempre may pera Sabi ni Mr. Romy Obispo, good afternoon ng Dareds. Ayan ang sinabi ng attorney na wala talagang panalo yung tape bulabta. Magtinda na lang kayo ng mga gamit sa hardware kasi yung naman ang nakarehistro for merchandiser, maniwanag pa sa sikat ng araw. Kaya talong-talo talaga yung apela nilang tape bulabta. Wawa, palit na ng title halusos. Sabi naman po ni Edalyn Puno, bakit yung advertisement ba hindi nanonood? Ginagawa nilang tanga yung advertisement. Nagbabayad sila ng mahal. Natural, may survey yung mga advertisement kung sinong malakas. True. Kaya naman po talaga silang pinupunta ng mga advertisers dahil gamit-gamit pa rin nila yung trademark na Itbulaga. No, yun naman po talaga yun kaya hindi nila mabitawan. Sabi ni Mon Laron, happy si Garduce dahil may kita siya sa mga halusos. Pero ngayon pa lang, wala na siyang credibility at dignity. Ayan, dahil po sa kanyang pagkampi dito, talagang sunod-sunod na pag-apela. Ewan ko ba dito kay Miss, kasi alam ko mga attorney talagang nagbibigay ng haningan ng signal para sila ay umapila.
Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at i-follow mo na rin ang aking Facebook page, DarEdsTV, and please do follow me on my TikTok account, DarEdsTV. God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog.